Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add WhatsApp link in TikTok. So all you have to do is to go or launch your WhatsApp application and then tap this three dots here if you want to share your profile or if you want to share your link. So again, tap this three dots, go to settings. Now, once you are on your settings, you can see there at the top right corner a QR code. All you have to do is to tap that one and then click share code, copy link, and you can paste it anywhere or you can paste it on your TikTok. And what if you want to share a link from a group or a team? All you have to do is to click the name of the team, click invite link, copy link, tap copy link, and then exit the application. Launch your TikTok application, open that one, and then go to your profile. Okay, tap this profile icon here. And then you can see that when you tap this edit profile on your TikTok application, you have to scroll down and look for a website. If you can see a website option there. But if you don't, then you can simply tap this bio and you can paste the link that you have copied from WhatsApp or from any other application. And you can also see below social media, Instagram, you can see Twitter and other there. But in order for you to add or, add WhatsApp link in TikTok, you can simply just click add bio and paste the link here. As easy as that. Tap paste and then click save. So when you go back to your TikTok profile or anyone who visits your profile and they see this bio here, which is your WhatsApp, if they're going to click this one, it will take them directly to your WhatsApp account. As easy as that. So that's how easy it is to add WhatsApp link in TikTok. I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.